Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the charts of gold, USD, and silver. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15 minute chart of silver in front of us, and in comparison, silver showed us a better move on Friday. We can see that after this big drop on Thursday, silver is continuing the overall upside. All the losses are recovered and silver is getting ready for a new high here. So you can see silver closed around 47.9900. This is the last traded price, and overall price action is doing a fantastic job. Whatever we discussed on Thursday did a nice job. Whatever we discussed on Friday morning also did a fantastic job. We are simply following the trend of the market, and here we can see the market is trying to continue the upside here. So we will plan our trades accordingly. This is the daily chart of silver in front of us, and as we all know, on gold and silver, okay, a big retracement or correction is due, but market is not ready, or market is not in a mood for correction. So yes, we will be following the trend of the market because market is continuing the upside, but we also need to be cautious because at any point when a reversal will come, okay, we need to exit from our buys immediately. So if you have any ongoing buy on silver, hold your buy position with trailing stop loss. Yes, do not trade without stop loss. That can be dangerous. And if you are looking for fresh position in the market, then obviously, okay, we need to be on the buy side only because the market is bullish. But we need to be cautious also because market has been, okay, trading at a very record high. So obviously at one point market will come down again. So we need to be cautious. So the market opening is going to be important. As I said, if you have any buy, hold your buy position. Okay, and after the market opening, if you see that silver is showing retracement, okay, then the first level where we can look for buy position is this particular level here, which is 47.4280. This is the first level where we can look for a buy position. Already you can see the previous resistance work as support here. It took support nicely and market went up, so we can expect the same level to work as support again, 47.4280. But as we all know that during the first half of Monday there is not much volume, so if market remains very dry, the volume is very low, then you can also expect the previous support to work again, this red line here that I'm about to draw here, this one. Okay, what is the level here? 47.7964. This is the first level where you can look for a buy. If you see the size of the candles are very small, volume is very low. Otherwise the best level will be 47.4280, this one. Okay, why? Because the previous resistance will be working as support, and obviously there are some other levels also, but chances of market coming down to these levels are very less. Apart from price action, you can also see we have FIBO 38.2% retracement level, around 47.4280, and we have FIBO 23.6% retracement level around 47.7964. So price action plus Fibonacci. So these are the two levels we will be looking for buy. Keep in mind 47.4280 is a better level. Okay, this is a better level in comparison to the first one, but still volume plays an important role. Okay, that's why we need to focus here as well. And if market doesn't come for retracement, then market will be going up. But we need to keep in mind that during the first half of Monday or at the market opening, usually we don't see much volume. If it behaves like a normal Monday market, then avoid buying at breakout because due to low volume, the breakout is about to fail. If market goes up also, we can follow the same old strategy, means buying at pullback. Means we can look for buy around 48.3800 when the same level will become the new support. Means after a little bit of upside, when market will come down, take support and go up, we can look for a buy here. And if you see that Monday market is showing volume, because the market is full of surprises. Okay, if market shows a big green candle, then you can look for buy at breakout. Otherwise it will be better and safer for us to buy at pullback only when 48.3800 will become the new support. Right now trend is bullish, so we are following the trend of the market, but we also need to keep in mind that market is setting a record high. So at one point there will be reversal, there will be correction. So we need to use stop loss properly. Okay. Now let's talk about our beloved gold. So this is a 15-minute chart of gold in front of us, and we have a similar movement on gold as well. Gold closed around 3886. 3887, 86, 87 area. And as we all know, gold is also super bullish for the last couple of weeks, and there is no proper correction. So here also, if you have any ongoing buy, hold your buy position, because sky is the limit. Okay, because if gold breaks 3900, it will be heading towards 4000 level. Oh my god. So sky is the limit for gold. Okay, so if you hold your buys, okay, but keep in mind, okay, at any point there may be some reversal, so use proper stop stop loss, okay, trading stop loss, so that, okay, if market reverses also, okay, you can you book your profits. And right now, obviously, there is no indication of trend reversal yet, so following the trend of the market is the only solution, though it is dangerous. My dear friends, if you're looking for a reliable trading platform, then you can consider opening your account in Vantage. Vantage is a global brand. It's a multi-regulated broker trusted by traders all over the world. They have a client base of more than 5 million traders. My dear friends, Vantage is one of the best broker that suits your trading style. It doesn't matter whether you're a scalper, swing trader, or a day trader. Okay, Vantage will be one of the best solution for you. Vantage also provides competitive spread. If you deposit more than $1,000, okay, and you're a swing trader, then you get a swap free account. And if you are a beginner, Vantage has a lot to offer. They provide courses, ebooks, webinars, and many more things. So feel free to open your account in Vantage today for your safety and for best trading experience. You'll find link in the description. And if you open your account under our referral, you can also become a member of our premium WhatsApp community. Once you're done with the registration with our link, just WhatsApp your account number to the WhatsApp number, okay, in the description box. I will be adding you to the group immediately. On gold also, we can see that after the big correction on Thursday, market recovered nicely. Market is about to hit another all-time high here. And here also we will be following the same strategy. As the market is bullish as of now, okay, we will be looking for buy at dip. Means whenever the market will be coming for retracement, we will look for buy. And as we all know, there is no sign of trend reversal yet. So buying a dip is the only solution for us, because taking a sell is high risk here. So where are the levels here then? My dear friends, the best level on the chart of gold is around 3866, 3865. 65, 66 is the level where we can look for a buy position on the chart of gold if market comes down for retracement after the market opening. Why are we considering this? Same price action. The previous resistance will act as the new support. Apart from 65, 66, we have another support around 55 to 50 area as well. This dotted line here at the bottom. Okay, let me show you. This is the first support on the chart of gold where we can look for buy. Already you can see market has taken support around 65, 66. The second support will be around 55 to 50. So these are the two support levels where we can look for a buy if gold comes down for retracement after the opening. And if you already have a buy on gold, you can hold your buy because sky is the limit. Okay. But as we have already discussed in silver, that if market opens but the volume is very low, so here also you can look for a buy around 3880. Okay, or not 3880. It will be risky. 3879 around this particular area you can also look for a buy if you see the market is open with very low volume. How do you understand the volume? You just observe the size of the candle, that's it. If you see candles like this, same size candles, means volume is low. If you see candles like this, volume is high. Simple. So 70 and 79 is a support level. We can look for a buy if volume is low. It's a minor level. Otherwise, 65, 66, 55, 50 are the best level, are on the chart of gold where you can look for a buy position. And if market doesn't come down, then obviously market will be going up, isn't it? So here also we can look for buy and breakout, but we need to keep in mind that we have 3,900. Okay, 3900. It's a round number. It's going to be a psychological resistance. If you want, you can look for a buy above 3900. Okay, but keep in mind that we need good amount of volume to buy at breakout. If you see market going up with candles like this, then it's better to avoid, because there's a high chance that after hitting 3904, 3905, market will be coming down. Okay, so here also, okay, I will suggest you buy at pullback, means when the same level will become the new support, means when 3900, 3895 will become the new support, you can look for a buy position there, means the previous resistance will become the new support. You can buy at breakout if any news comes out, and if you see a big green candle, then it's a different story. But if we don't see much volume, then it's better to buy at pullback only, because we need to think about our hard-earned money also. We are traders, not gamblers, isn't it? And if you look at the market sentiment, you can see gold near record highs set for 7 weekly gain. Gold climbed to 3875 per ounce on Friday, edging closer to Thursday's all-time high of 3897, and on track for its 7 straight weekly advance on the back of safe haven demand fueled by ongoing US government shutdown and rising expectations of a dovish Federal Reserve. So market sentiment is also saying that there's a high chance of gold breaking 3900 and market heading towards 4,000 level. Okay, so no sign of correction, no sign of reversal here, but technically obviously there will be some retracements in between, so use proper stop loss. Those who are holding buy, okay, use trading stop loss, and those who are looking for fresh positions, please follow, respect the trend of the market and buy at dip only. When trend reversal will come, then we can look for sell position. For example, when this situation arose on Thursday, obviously many of you took sell position. You did a nice thing. As a trader, you need to be flexible, but right now gold is bullish, sadly. Okay, very risky, but still we cannot deny the fact it's bullish. So buy at dip or buy at retracement is the still best trading strategy. And if market goes for breakout, we can look for buy above 3900, and if market is accompanied by good volume. Otherwise, we will look for buy at pullback only. So that's all from my side, my friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Have a lovely weekend.